I know many of you want to start your ventilation journey, but you don't know how to use a ventilating pin or how to hold your strand of hair during ventilation. Welcome to PCChat Hair. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that, how to hold your ventilating pin and how to ventilate. So let's go. So the first step to ventilation is going to bring a piece of paper and your lace net. Yes, so I'm using a 5x5 closure for this. You can use your 2x4 closure for ventilation or your 13x4 closure. So you want to place a white piece of paper under it so that when you want to ventilate, it will give you a clear view. You understand? I know this lace net is almost transparent and it's almost the same color with your mannequin head. So you place a white piece of paper under it so that it can be visible. The whole of the lace net will be visible like this. So I've placed it on my mannequin head. You can see. So the whole now can now be visible. So this is a ventilating pin. This is what you use for ventilation. For as many that don't know, this is it. So go buy yours in the market. So for a beginner, you need to know the right way to hold your ventilating pin. This is the right way. You're going to hold it like a pencil or a pen. Yes, that is the right way of holding your ventilating pin for ventilation. Yes. So the next step is the strand of hair. As a beginner, you don't need to carry too much strand of hair of the hair you want to ventilate. You need a little. Yes, very little strand of hair. This one self is too much, but for a beginner you need little than this. So you're gonna be doing this like a loop, the strand of hair like a loop. You will separate it like this so that the loop will be visible. You understand? So that when you want to ventilate, it will be easier for you to catch on to the loop. Yes. So we're going to start the ventilation. So I'll bring my camera closer for you to see. So I told you you're going to hold your ventilating pin like a pencil. You're going to pass it through the whole of the lace net like this. Pass it under one line, one hole of the lace net. Then you catch the loop of a strand of hair with the ventilating pin and pass it under the lace net. Then you bring it out through the loop like this. Let's try again. You will pass your ventilating pin under the lace net like this. Yes, pass it under like this. Then use the ventilating pin to catch a loop of a strand of hair. Turn the pin down and pass it through the whole of the lace net. Face it up. Then use the pin to latch on the tails of this strand of hair and bring it out the loop. That's what we are doing. I don't know if you understand the step. Step 1. Pass your ventilating pin under a hole and face it up. Use the hook of the ventilating pin and latch on to a loop of a strand of hair and face the ventilating pin down and drag it underneath the hole and bring it out. Use the pin and latch onto the tails of that strand of hair and bring it out the loop of the hair like this. So it is basically easy, but do it slowly if you're a beginner so you can get it very well. So to face this strand of hair, like this strand of hair, the right position, you have to face it directly to where the pin is facing so that you can be able to latch on a loop of strand of hair easily. You can see where I faced mine. You can see I'm facing it directly to where the pin is facing, not opposite. You see? So I'm trying 2 strands of hair. You know, the first one I tried was one strand. So let's try 2 strands. So you will start with 1 strand. If you are good with 1 strand, then you can continue 2 strands, then 3 strands. From there, your speed will be getting faster and you are good to go. You are good. You have learned hair ventilation. It's very easy. You can start making money by doing hair ventilation for people. Mind you, for a beginner, the size of it, because I have different sizes of ventilating pin. So I advise you to buy size 2 to 3 ventilating pin. Yes, because if you use size 1 ventilating pin or use 3 to 4, it will not be easy for you. So ask them when you go to market, ask them you want size 2 to 3 ventilating pin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Bye.